By the end of this video, you will understand how to create a TRC20 token on the Tron network. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, smash the subscribe button and click on the notification bell icon so you get notified anytime I publish new video. So let's get started. In order for us to create a TRC20 token and deploy it on the Tron network, there are 7 steps which you have to go through. The first step is we need to install the TronLink Chrome plugin on our browser. The second step is to prepare an account for us to issue the token. Then the step 3 is we need to prepare the TRC20 smart contract code that we are going to use for our token. Then the step 4 is we need to deploy the TRC20 smart contract code. Then the step 5 is to record the TRC20 token on the Tron network. Then the step 6 is to add the tokens to the Tron network link. And then the last step, which is the stage 7, is to verify the TRC20 contract. So these are the 7 steps which I'm going to show you guys in this video. So let's get started and let me show you how to go about it. The step 1 is to install the TronLink Chrome plugin. So if you haven't installed the TronLink Chrome plugin, just search online, search on Google. I'm going to leave the link to the documentation of these steps in the description of the video as well. So this is the TronLink Chrome plugin. You can as well install it on Mozilla and other browsers like that, but I'm using Chrome, so and I already have it installed. So once you have it installed, you need to set it up, and then so you are not going to see everything with 0. So you create your wallet just like the normal process of you creating your wallet. You will be given the mainnet, 2 mainnet, and then 2 testnet. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to use the Tron Nile Testnet. So we are just going to create a fake token. So we are going to create a fake token, but the same approach is applicable if you want to create a real token on mainnet. So testnet and the Nile Testnet and the Shasta testnet is just for us to create a fake token for practice. So I'm going to be using the Nile Testnet. So once you have it, so just make sure you select the Nile Testnet here. So that is the first step. Now the second step is to prepare an account for issue token. That means we need an account for us to create and issue a token. So immediately you've installed and set up your wallet, you already have an account here. So here you can see your wallet address here. This is my wallet address for my Nile Testnet. Then all you just have to do is copy this. So I've copied my wallet address here. So that is your wallet address, and that is how you are going to prepare your account. So that is the second step. But in order for us to be able to create the token, we need to have like a coin, maybe some Tron coin on our account for us to validate and successfully create the token, because the Tron network is going to charge us some gas fee. We are going to pay some gas fees in order for us to create the token. So if you are on mainnet, you need to send a real Tron token to your wallet. So assuming you want to create a real token, but in order for you to create a test token, which is what you are going to create in this video, so all I'm going to do is copy this wallet address, and now I'm going to go to this website. So I'm going to leave the link of this website in the description of the video as well. So this website, all you have to do is copy and paste your wallet address here. So once you paste your wallet address, we can request some free faucet token. So just click on I'm not a robot, and then click on obtain. So this website is going to send us some tokens. I already requested from some tokens already, so which is why it's telling me that the account has acquired test coins. So that is why I'm unable to get some tokens. But if you are just if it's your first time this website is going to send you 200 test coins directly to your account and then to your wallet address, and once you come back to your wallet address you'll be able to find it here. But remember, it's a fake coin. You will not be able to withdraw it, so you can just play around with it, create some fake coins, do all those things, but you will not be able to have access to like be able to withdraw or exchange the coin. So that's how to get a free test coin to your wallet address. Now the next thing which you are going to do is to prepare the TRC20 contract code which you are going to use for this for creating our token. So there is already a template which you can use, so just open this code. So you are going to open the code, and then it's going to take us to the TRC20 contract template. Now the next thing you have to do is to go to this TRC20 contract template, and now we are going to download this source code, everything. So click on download zip. So I'm going to save it to my download folder, and once you've downloaded it on your laptop, just extract it. So we have to extract the file, or rather unzip it. So this is the contract. So if you should open it now, you can see different contracts. We have the TRC20.so, we have the safe.so, the token.so, the TRC.so, and the TRC20 detail.so. So now what you are going to do here is to open this token.so. So right click on it, and then I'm going to use my testedit.app to edit this. So let me zoom in. So I'm going to zoom in so you can see what I'm doing. So right now here you are going to change your token name and add your own token name. So here I'm going to write mystery coin, so that's the name of my token. Then the symbol, I'm going to use MSC. I'm going to leave this as the token decimal as 18. Then the total amount of token which I want to create 5 billion. So I can change it to something like this, 5. Then the rest you have to leave it as default. So once you are done, these are the things you just need to change here. The token name, put in your token name, the symbol, you can leave this as 18. Then the total number or the total amount of token you want to create, then just click on save. So once you are done with that, close it, and then let's go back to the next step, so which is step 4. So here you are going to change the token name, the symbol, the decimal, and then the total supply of your token. Now once you have your contract, your smart contract ready, the next thing you have to do is come to nine.tronscan.org. I'm going to leave the link in the description of the video. So this is the website. But you have to first connect your wallet. So if you don't have your wallet connected, you need to connect your wallet to the Nile Testnet, because we are creating our test coin on the Nile network. Then over your mouse to this blockchain and click on contract deployment. So here you are going to upload all the contract files which we downloaded the other time. So we are going to upload everything. So you're going to upload everything and then click on compile, and then the Solidity version which I'm going to use is version 0.5.10. then click on confirm. So what this is going to do is going to compile the code, and you can see the compilation is successful, and then it's going to generate the API for me. So this is the API for my smart contract, as you can see. So you don't really need to understand how that works right now. So once you have successfully compiled your smart contract, then the next thing is to click on deploy to deploy our contract. So the contract name, so here you are going to change it to token, and so you can leave the rest as default and then click on confirm. So right now deploy is going to deploy and connect with our wallet first, so that Tron can charge us the gas fee. So right now this is the gas fee which they are charging us. They are charging us 4.101 TRS, which is equivalent to 0.271. So if you are creating on the mainnet, which is a recon, the gas fee is going to vary depending on the time and when you are creating your token and the rate. So just click on sign, and now we can go back and let's wait for the contract to deploy. So it's going to take few seconds, but once it's successfully deployed, then we can be able to check our smart contract. Then we'll be able to check our smart contract address, and then we can see our deployed token. So boom, we have successfully deployed our contract, and this is the cost. You can see we are charged 230.24 TRS, zero energy, and then this is the transaction confirmation. So we can open that, and now this is our contract address. So let's open that as well. So let's check our contract address. So these are transaction details, the hash, the result was success, and this was the number of blocks that was confirmed. This is my contract, my account address, which is this TS4. So, and that means I'm the contract creator, and this is the contract address for our smart contract. So you can see all the confirmation here, and let's go and check. So let's check our token. So this is our token, and you can see right here it's showing the transaction. The create smart contract was successful, and it was confirmed. So now to check our smart contract, so we can go back here and let's copy our contract address, or we can come here to copy it directly. So we can copy our contract address and now paste it here. Then let's click on search. So you can see right now it's showing us our contract address. It's showing my wallet address as the creator, the date it was created, which is today. This is the time, and all the necessary information that is needed. But right now you can see the token is not having a name. It's only showing token. The information details about the token is actually not showing when people search for the contract address. So which is the next thing which we are going to do now. So now the next thing which we have to do, which is the step 5, is to record our TRC20 token. Remember, we've successfully created our token here. This is our token. This is our token. We've created it, but our token is not being recorded on the Tron network. So we need to record our token, add the information, the name and everything, the symbol, so that it can be the description of everything of the token, so that when people search for our token, it's going to show the name, it's going to show the logo, the symbol and everything about our token, details about our token. So which is the next thing which we are going to do. So we are going to use the Tron record tool. So to do that, you have to come here So you click on more, you hover your mouse to this more and then click on this record token. So we are going to record our token on the Tron Network. So it's going to take you to a page like this, and once you are here you need to select the type of token which you want to record. So our token is TRC20. Our token is TRC20 token, remember. So we are going to select TRC20 token here. So then you click on confirm. Now the next thing is we need to add the information about the token we want to create. We want to record rather. So to do that, the first thing we have to do is to copy the token contract address, and then come here and then we paste it here. So the contract creation date, so it says this token has been recorded. To update, okay. To do that, you are going to come here. So you put over your mouse on your wallet address and click on your wallet address here. So it's going to take you to a page like this, and then click on record a token. So you are going to find the token which we just created. This is our mystery coin token. So all you have to do is click on update token information. You are going to paste in your contract address. The creation date will already be there. So you put in the token name, the token description, the decimal will be default. All these are going to be default. Then you are going to upload your logo here. Then your social media link, your website link for your token, you are going to put everything here. And now you are going to, so for instance, I can put my Twitter link here, or my Facebook link, www.facebook.com/Victor. Then click on next. So after that, you are going to click on submit, and now you need to sign this transaction again. So right now you can see that my contract address is successfully updated. So this is how you are going to record your token. Now the last step is to add your token to TronLink. So to do that, all you have to do is open up your TronLink wallet. So under this asset, click on plus. You just click on plus. So most times you can just paste in copy. So I'm going to go back, copy my contract address. So I'm going to open it up again, then you can paste it here. So it's going to pull everything up. So just click on add custom wallet contracts, and then so immediately you paste in your contract address here, it's going to show you the information, the token symbol, the token name, and everything. So just click on next. So you can see the total amount is 50 billion. Then click on confirm. So the token is going to be added to my wallet address. So I can find it here. So this is my token. So this is it, which is 50 billion. So from here you can send this token to another wallet address. You can send some amount. So once you paste in the wallet address here, you'll be able to send it. Now the last step is to verify your TRC20 contract. So to do that, we need the validation tool. So all you have to do is so I'm going to go back to the Nile Testnet. So under this blockchain, you will see the contract verification here. So just click on contract verification. Then you are going to paste in your contract address here. Then the compiler which you use to compile, which is version 0.5.10. So I'm going to choose that. Optimization, leave it as yes. The contract name is going to be token. Then the license I'm going to select no license here. So you are going to click on upload contract files, and here we are going to upload all our contract files. So I'm going to upload all the contract files that we used earlier, and now click on I'm not a robot, then you click on verify and publish. So immediately you verify and publish, you are going to see this green check on your contract. So you see all the contract information, the contract files which were uploaded, everything. So you see it, and this is going to create more trust for your contract and for your token. So I believe you've learned how to create a TRC20 token on the Tron network. Specifically, we use the Nile Testnet, but remember the same approach is what you are going to need if you want to create the token on the mainnet as well. All you just have to do is to switch from the testnet to the mainnet, and make sure you have free Tron coin on your wallet address, and then just follow the process one after the other, and you should be able to create your TRC20 token successfully. So if this video has been helpful to you, kindly subscribe to my channel, smash the like button and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I publish new videos. So I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Have a nice day.